Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this quick video I want to share with you guys how to fix a zipper. So I'm going to be using this piece of fabric that I have here and this skirt zipper here to demonstrate this tutorial for you guys. So this is a simple skirt zipper for those that don't know what this is. And for you to start thinking of fixing a zipper, it means that you must have created a space on your skirt or on your dress that you want to place the zipper into. So I just created a space on this piece of fabric here and went ahead to iron it out, just so the space that we're going to be placing this zipper will be easy for us to fix. So what you're going to do is that the zipper is going to be opened like this, and this first part here you're going to place it on this side just like you see me doing like this, and you're going to leave a little bit of space at the top before the iron on the zipper. And when you've done that, just go ahead and pin it down. And what I'm doing is that I'm pinning this side of my zipper on top of the line that the ironing gave me while I was ironing this part out. So this is why it's necessary for you to iron out your zipper area before you go ahead and fix your zipper. So just like I'm doing here right now, I'm just pinning this side of my zipper to the actual fabric. So if it's a skirt or a dress, it's still the same process that is going to apply. Just go ahead and open it up just like you see me doing like this, and pin your zipper to the actual fabric. So guys, when you're done pinning it down for one side, you will see that when you turn it over to the other side, it's looking like this. So now for the other side, the same procedure is going to apply. So just go ahead and zip it up like this so that it will be easy for you to pin down. So just like we did on the other side, I'm just going to go ahead and use my pins to hold the zipper to the actual fabric. And I'm also making sure that I'm doing this on the line that the ironing gave me on this side as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this till I get to the top of the zipper area as well. So guys, once you're done pinning it down, it's going to look like this just by you holding it with pins alone, and the back will look something like this. So I'm going to head over to the sewing machine now, and I'm going to be stitching these areas that I held with my pin down on the sewing machine. So now guys, to stitch this down on the sewing machine, I'm going to open up the zipper again, and then I'll flip this side over so that I can easily place it on the sewing machine just like you see me doing like this. So you're going to place it on the sewing machine like this, and you're going to first make a back stitch just like you see me doing here. Then while sewing, ensure that the footer is very close to the zipper, and if you have a zipper foot, please go ahead and use it here. I don't have a zipper foot, so I'm making sure that my footer is extremely close to the zipper. And as you can see, I'm removing the pins as I sew. So when it gets to the place where the head of the zipper is going to be disturbing, I just went ahead to zip up the zipper so that I can continue with my stitching all the way to the end without having the head of the zipper being in the way. So I don't know if you guys understand. So basically this part of the zipper is fixed, as you can see. Now we'll go ahead and do the other side as well. You can see this side is fixed and it's looking nice. Now let's do the other side. So we're going to have to open up our zipper again and start from this other side. So opening it up is actually not necessary for this side. So just like you see me doing it like this, go ahead and start from the end of the zipper for this other side. Make a back stitch just like we did on the other side when we started stitching, and then continue to sew. While you sew, ensure that you are removing your pins so that it doesn't break your sewing needle. So you're just going to go ahead and do this again until you get to the end of the zipper. And when the zipper head is getting in the way, just open up your zipper just like you see me doing like this, and then continue with your stitching. So guys, once you're done making the stitch and you're through with everything, you're going to have it looking like this. So look at the back and the front, all looking nice and clean. So this is what it looks like after I was done ironing it out. And if you open up your zipper, whatever you place it in, whether it's a skirt or a gown, it's going to look like this. So now you're not going to be leaving this top of the zipper like this looking rough. What we are going to do is you're going to open your zipper up a little bit. You're going to fold this top of the zipper just like I did, fold it in and pin it down. Can you see? So you're going to repeat the same process for the other side. Whether you're placing the zipper on a skirt or on a dress, the same process applies. So now go ahead and make top stitch on my sewing machine. I made top stitch there and this is what it looks like. So this is basically all for this quick tutorial. This is how to fix a simple zipper. I hope you find it helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.